Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you this and how to make them. Okay, so it is very simple. It is one piece, and okay, so it's one piece, so you can choose either this one is the front, or this one is the back, or this one is the front, this one is the back. Either way it's your choice. Okay, so with this one, we're going to like separate them. Okay, one piece first and then the other part. Okay, so we have that, like this same way. Okay, the same way of the stitches. Okay, so all we have to do is just double crochet. All we need is just double crochet, working on double crochet. Okay, so just all you need is a yarn. Okay, so this one I use cotton one. Okay, so I will be using this for the demonstration. Okay, so this one is a 4-ply yarn. Okay, you can use whatever you like, or whatever you have on hand. Okay, and the crochet needles I will be using is 2.5. Okay, so this is just like perfect for this project. Okay, so to start with, we are going to do slip knot. Okay, and then insert your hook, and we are going to chain 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and hold that. Okay, and then we are going to add 3 more. Okay, and then after that we have to make a double crochet into the chain that we on the 9th chain, or the one that we blocked off. Okay, and we are going to do the double crochet. Okay, and double crochet until to the end. Okay, so just keep doing the double crochet until to the last stitch. Okay, and then this is the last one. Okay, so we have there. Okay, then we will be going to do this all over again. Okay, so chain 3. Okay, and for myself, I like to work from the first stitch and the second stitch all together. Okay, so it's just to have that gap close. Okay, because if I'm going to straight here, and then you can see the gap. Okay, I will try. See, you can see the gap, but if I'm going to work the way I was explaining, okay, so insert here, okay, yarn over, insert here, and then pull through. Okay, insert, and then yarn over, pull through, pull up the loop. Okay, and then yarn over, pull through 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and then you can see it's different from the other one. Okay, so and then we are going to continue doing a double crochet until to the last stitch. Okay, this is very simple, guys, so hopefully this video will be like very easy to follow. And if you have any questions, leave the comment below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so with this one, okay, so we have that. Okay, so we are from that side. Okay, so I'm just going to count 1 2 3 4 so wait, okay, so 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, no increase, and then start from here. We have to increase to the top. Okay, so do 1 2 3 4 5 without increase. Okay, so you have to do this 3 more times. Okay, 3 more times, and then when you finish that, okay, we are going to do the increase. Okay, so this part had the increase, as you can see. We have the increase. Okay, so doing the increase, okay, so doing the increase, chain 3. Okay, turn your work, and in the first chain we are going to make a double crochet. Okay, and then the next stitch, double crochet. Okay, and then that is just like 1 double crochet until to the last chain, okay, or stitch. Okay, and to the last stitch we are going to increase again. Okay, okay, so 1 more, and then we are going to do the increase. Okay, so that is what you guys needs to do. Okay, so 2 in the first chain, and 2 double crochet in the first chain, and 2 double crochet in the last one. Okay, so that is 1 and 2. Okay, so and then it's the same. So when you finish that, chain 3. Okay, turn your work, and then increase again. Okay, and then just the first one increase, and then it's just like normal. Okay, so you have to continue that increasing. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, okay, without increase, and then start from here. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, we have to increase all the way up. Okay, so you have 5 without increase, and then from 6 to 15 we increase. Okay, so and then we're going to the back. Okay, so in the back, okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have 4 that there's no increase. 5 5. Okay, so 5 1 2 3 4 5 without increase. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, so 5 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6 to 16 we have increase all the way up. Okay, guys, so that is very simple. It's just all this time, and then we are just going to increase here. Okay, so with the increase, 2 in the first stitch and 2 in the last stitch, 2 in the first stitch and 2 in the last stitch. Over here is just 1 double crochet. Okay guys, so I hope it is very clear. Okay, our increase is in both sides only. Okay, so that is very simple enough, and then we're just going to make our cord, okay, or our string. Okay, so making our string, so I did use the same yarn and making that. Okay, so I did use before, I did use 2.5 millimeter hook. This time with the cord, okay, I will be using a 4 millimeter hook. Okay, and because we need bigger. Okay, so it's just all chain, okay, to finish it off. Okay, so just chain, continue chaining until how much you need. Okay, and then when you finish that, and that's it. So okay, so you just have to continue that, doing that. So it's just a single crochet. Okay, so because this is cotton yarn, guys, it is very, very strong. Okay, so I just have to use the bigger hook, so we will get this bigger, okay, string. Okay, and then with this one here, okay, so in the first, to put this string, okay, in the first double crochet I inserted, okay, and then I skip 2 double crochet and then inserted, okay, and then leave double crochet, skip double crochet, and then pull it back, and then skip double crochet, and so on until to the end. Okay, so it is very, very neat, okay, because it's very close, so it's not showing too much. Okay, so it's the same, okay, it is the same into the back as well. Okay, so I started from 1, okay, so I I inserted, okay, so yeah, so I inserted, start from here, insert here, okay, skip 2, and then insert, pull it back, pull it up, and then skip, and then insert it, and then skip 2, pull it back, as the same until to the end. Okay, so that is our micro bikini, or it is a micro bikini because it's not that big. Okay, so it is very cute and it's very, very simple. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and if you like this tutorial or video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you will get notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much guys, and thank you everyone for your support. Bye.